हेलो एवरीवन। सो अभी हम है नियर हाथी पाव। यहाँ पर एक कैफ़े था जहाँ हम लोग आए थे एंड फिर वहाँ हमने चाय वगैरह पी एंड ब्रेकफास्ट किया, फिर अब वापस जा रहे हैं। सो वेल रिटर्निंग बैक वी थॉट कि लेट्स स्विच बाइक्स। सो मैं अभी चला रहा हूँ प्रतीक की R15 एंड वो चला रहा है मेरी जावा 42। सो आई थॉट कि फर्स्ट टाइम मैं स्पोर्ट्स बाइक चलाऊँगा इतना ज़्यादा, सो आई शुड शेयर सम ऑफ दिस विद यू ऑल। Alright, so R15 version 3, I think you all must be aware of, ये काफ़ी पहले आ गई थी. Currently we are having the version 4 जो latest model है, and it's a 155 cc engine bike, and the specs and all you all must be aware of that. I'm not going to go into that. Okay, so yeah, when I first sat on the bike okay, so I am used to a very relaxed riding position of cruisers, or you can say of classic motorcycle. Like Java 42 is a classic bike. So as soon as I sat on it, I felt like the handle. My bike it's a single piece handlebar, and in the R15 the clip-ons so they are very low. So when I sat and grabbed the handles, I was a bit intimidated because it was very low for me. But like as soon as I started riding it, after a few turns, I got used to the riding position. It's a bit aggressive, and I was at first I was scared of it, but then as I started riding it more and more, I started to like it. Okay, so as I was turning the bike after some time, like let's say 1 or 2 kilometers, I was feeling like the bike is turning itself on the turns and the twisties, and I thought, how is this happening? Am I being delusional? As we all know, delulu is the solution these days. But then I started to think logically that it's a sports bike, it's made to do this kind of stuff, and it is made to go fast and corner better than other bikes. So as I rode it more and more, I started to fall in love with the bike, and it was like as if the bike wants you to push your limits to go harder. And okay, that sounds wrong, but you understand what I'm saying. Okay, so yeah, I was feeling like the bike wants me to go faster, corner faster, lean more, but I was scared that it was someone else's bike and I'm not used to riding it, and especially sports bike. So but I was very much enjoying the ride, and I felt like as soon as I'm gonna get off this bike, I'm gonna buy one because it was so freaking good.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Only con that I felt was regarding the pillions is that it's not so much comfortable for the pillions. And another con of this sports bike is that after I think 30 minutes or so, I started feeling pain on my shoulders. Yeah. But then when I told my friend, he said that you'll get used to the riding posture as like it's a pretty big change. So later he said that you'll get used to it, your body will adapt. So I thought like, hey, this bike wants me to get physically stronger. So I think that's a motivation. So overall I love the bike, and I hope that all those who know how to ride a bike, or who are learning, or who will learn to ride a bike, I hope that you all will ride a sports bike once in your life and just feel how different it is and how much they want you, the rider, to push your limits. Alright then, I'm going to shut up now so that you can enjoy the view. Raccoon Boi out.